Understand the concept of bond polarity. Bond polarity is directly determined by the difference in electronegativity, delta yin, between the two bonded atoms. The greater the electronegativity difference, the more polar the bond. A difference of 0 between two identical atoms results in a completely nonpolar bond. Recall the periodic trends for electronegativity. Electronegativity generally increases going from left to right across a period and decreases going down a group. Fluorine, F, is the most electronegative element on the periodic table, yin equals 4.0, followed closely by oxygen, O, and nitrogen, N is approximately 3.0. Hydrogen, H, has a moderate electronegativity of 2.1. Analyze option A, H, F greater than N, F greater than F, FH, F bond. Fluorine, 4.0, and hydrogen, 2.1, have a very large difference. Delta yin equals 4.0. 2.1 is equal to 1.9. This is a highly polar covalent bond. N, F bond. Fluorine, 4.0, and nitrogen, 3.0, are both highly electronegative, leading to a moderate difference. Delta yin equals 4.0. 3.0 is equal to 1.0. This bond is polar, but significantly less so than H, F, F, F bond. Two identical fluorine atoms share electrons completely equally. Delta yin equals 4.0. 4.0 is equal to 0. This is a completely nonpolar bond. Comparing the differences, 1.9 greater than 1.0 greater than 0, we see that option A is correctly arranged in order of decreasing bond polarity, which confirms it is the correct answer. The correct answer is option A, H, F greater than N, F greater than F, F.